Okay, and here's number 19. Find the equation of the line that is parallel. Parallel, not perpendicular. So, parallel lines have the same slope, so if m equals negative 2/3, m parallel also equals negative 2/3. Okay. So now we got a point in the slope, and this is my slope, negative 2/3, and my point is x1 is 5, y1 is 8. So we can go ahead and use the, like we did here, use the point slope form to find the equation line, then we'll solve it for y. So the point slope form would be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, very important formula, and then y minus equals m times x minus. And then we'll put our data in. Now our slope's going to be negative 2/3, because parallel lines have the same slopes. And my point y1 will be 8, and x1 will be 5. So I'll multiply out, so I get y minus 8 equals negative 2/3 x, and a negative times a negative is a positive, plus. And then I have 2/3 times 5, and 3 doesn't go into 5, so it's 10/3. And then if I add 8 to both sides, then how many thirds is 8? I could add 8, but that's the same thing as adding 24/3. Okay, and then we can combine that, so that equals negative 2/3 x, and 10 plus 24 is plus 34/3. Not a real pretty picture, but that's what we've got. So y equals negative 2/3 x plus 34/3. Now if I want to get that in standard form, I'm going to do this over here. This will be number 19 so I can see this. Okay, I'll take that equation over here. I guess you can see it over here. Yes. Y equals negative 2/3 x, make sure your x looks like it's on top, plus 34/3. And I want to get rid of the fractions because we just want integers, so I'll multiply both sides by 3. And I have 3y on the left. And that's going to be 3/3 is 1, so negative 2x. And 3/3 is 1 plus 34. And then if I add 2x to both sides, you get 2x plus 3y equals 34. So that came out nice. So that's your standard form. So I'll write that over here. 2x plus 3y equals 34. Okay? So that should be okay, unless I made some silly mistake over here, but hopefully I did everything right. So that's number 19.